welcome to our collaborative teams meeting. It's a wonderful time, and I mean, we get to come together to build our collaborative team and to work together. All right, so our icebreaker, you already have your agenda, and our icebreaker is one word for your week. What is your one word for your week? You can start by saying who you are, what you teach, and then say your one word for your week. Okay, Miss, go ahead.
My name is Angela Robinson. I'm the EIP math teacher for 3 through 5. And my one word is millionaire.
All right.
I'm Washette Carter, EIP Math K through 2, and my one word will be happy.
Okay.
I'm Keisha Jones, EIP teacher for K through to 2, and my one word is triumphant.
All right. Okay. All right. Good. And my word for the week is focus. Staying focused. All
And your
right.
name?
Oh, and my name, of course, is Natoya White, and I'm 3 through 5 reading. Okay, the purpose for our meeting today is that we want to build a collaborative foundation and align team norms, vision, and mission. All right? And it is written on your agenda. And here is a sample agenda again, and we have already done our icebreaker. So now we're going to move into our vision and mission statement. Can somebody volunteer to read Butler's mission statement?
Our mission is to move every student towards proficiency and beyond by ensuring that instruction is standard-based, data-driven, and rooted in equity and high expectations.
And our vision?
At Butler Elementary, we empower every student to achieve academic success, demonstrate character, and prepare for limitless potential through rigorous instruction, meaningful engagement, and a culture of excellence.
All right, so from this, we are creating our own EIP mission statement and vision statement in line with what we have just read. So our mission statement that I've come across, and I want our input on this because it's not just me alone, it's our team effort. So I've started the process by looking at use students' data to provide focused interventions, small group instruction, and evidence-based strategies that meet each learner's needs and accelerates growth. So on your paper that you have, your little index card, I am going to ask that you could just go ahead and say, what do you think about this mission statement, and basically where would we want to like put together or fix to make it our own. And then if you look at the vision statement, empower every student to grow in math and reading through targeted support, data-driven instruction, and a culture of confidence and achievement. So let's work together on this one. I'm gonna give you like about what? A minute or 2 minutes. And you get to like really read what's going on here and see if you can help me fix our own mission and vision statement. Timer starts.
What if we like it? We don't want it to.
Oh, you like it?
I don't know how to restructure that.
I mean, because you're touching on everything you need to do.
I'm thinking where it says provide, you may need to have implement, because you're saying evidence-based strategies. You're not giving the students, just handing the children the strategies, you're implementing them.
Okay.
So
okay.
both the intervention, the small group instruction, all of that you're implementing.
All right. So we'll change this word to implementing. All right, no problem. All right, let's keep on going then. Great job. Thank you guys. Anything else before we move on? Everybody in agreement? I'm gonna switch that one. Is there everything okay with this one?
It's fine.
Alright, let's move on then. Now we're gonna look at our norms. Now I've given you a paper, it's a blue paper. Blue paper with some sample norms that we could use for our team. I don't think like, maybe we could think about only like about 3 or 4. We don't wanna make it too much norms because we wanna make sure that we are able to stick to it as a team. So, looking at this, we can pretty much go through, tick anyone you agree on, and let's discuss it and let's see if it's something that we want to stick with. And I'm thinking, how many would you think is a good amount for our team? No more than 5 though.
Is this for when we meet?
Whenever we are meeting,
Oh,
yes.
okay, okay.
A norm for whenever we are meeting, norms for whenever we meet. What are some good norms? Maybe about 3 or 4 would be a good one that we can stick to. I'll give you guys about another minute or so to look at that, or 2 minutes.
Just for clarification, we're
Yes.
selecting 3 or 4 that we think we should stick to.
That we want to come up together as a team to come up with 4 norms that we will all be willing to work with whenever we meet.
Are we selecting 4 from the list?
4 from the list, and if you feel like there is something missing and you wanna add, fine, and we can discuss it together.
5.
Oh, you're thinking number 5? Can you read it out for me?
Stay on topic and be action oriented. Keep discussions relevant and identify next steps for follow-up.
1, start and end on time.
Okay. All right. So that means if we're gonna start and end on time, that means everyone. If we say 2:30, then everyone have to be present at 2:30.
Bear in mind transition time, because my lunch ends at 2:30.
So
I
then-
need to journey from over here to over here.
So would you say then that it's whenever we all start, we say 30 minutes is the meeting, and whenever we start is wherever the starting point is, that's where we have the 30 minutes?
Well, I
So-
think we need to set a scheduled time.
Time,
Yeah,
yes.
you set a
It's-
scheduled
So
time.
either
I
say
might be at 2
2:35 or
minutes or so.
or
2:40.
maybe
that's
say just say
transition.
2:40.
Yeah,
So 2:40 to
3:10.
3:05 or 3:10? Okay.
Let's be 2:35.
Okay,
All right.
2:35.
2:35 to,
3:05.
all right. That sounds good. That's 2. Any more?
So you guys said 1 and 5. I had
Sorry.
2, 3, 7, and 9.
Come again now?
Come prepared. Focus on the students.
Mm-hmm.
Be solution focused and use data to drive decisions.
And use data. Oh wow. So that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to narrate down now. Alright.
We can combine. There must be some.
Let's try to see if we can combine one of them or something like that.
What's wrong with having 6 though? I'm just saying, we're just doing, those are just norms, it's not something that, it's just telling us to stay on track.
Check.
Mm-hmm.
And if we're off track, we'll remember that, but I don't see why we can't have all 6, because actually you can use all 10, but.
All 10.
I ticked all of them, and then I
Wow.
went back through. Yeah.
I would say narrowing it down.
Yes,
helps
because
us to
to basically you don't want to overwhelm yourself too, because like there's
But we
gonna
don't wanna
be
leave anything out either.
true. But okay, so the thing is, like today's goal has to do with us just coming together and focusing on the norms and whatever. So like every meeting will have its focus. So you understand? So if it's gonna be data driven focus or whatever focus we're doing, then
That could be the norm for that day.
that would be the norm.
Oh, but I thought you were like getting a
We want a
Like
general
rules for the-
norm.
yeah.
General rules.
So
So that's
okay.
what I'm saying, so can't we just have all 10 and just choose the one, because say for instance, somebody come in and they're there but they're not engaged. But it's not one of our norms.
Mm-hmm.
You see what I'm saying? So how do you handle that?
I said
Because-
choose 5. You have what is called the hidden curriculums. I think we all know that as teachers, you have the hidden curriculum. Because if we were to try to cover everything, we would run out of
No, I'm
paper.
not saying to cover them daily. I mean each time, but I'm saying if it's a norm, then we know it's one of them. That's what I'm saying.
No, here's the thing though. My understanding of norms is this. Norms are some structured or pointed things that you use for a particular meeting. So you will have things that it's given that these are things that we stand for. But in our meeting, we're going to focus on 5 norms. It's because norms means what you do every time. That's what it normally means. It's not like this meeting the norm is this and this meeting the norm is that.
Right, true.
So that's why I don't understand.
Yes, that's true.
Understand?
That's true. And
I understand,
so
but I'm saying, should we focus on that every time, is what I'm saying?
I can kind of help in that situation.
I mean, I don't mean to drag it on, because I know we have
No,
a
you
meeting to
don't.
get to, but
It's-
I'm just saying to me.
And I understand totally what you're saying, and so I'm gonna kind of help us out with something a bit. I kind of had something here narrowed down to 5, and I'm trying to get it big. How do I get it big right now? Are you seeing it?
Do one page.
So, how do I do that now? Ugh, at
View,
this
go to
point.
view at the top.
Mm,
View is at the over here.
oh, okay. And then, just do that?
Select the focus. Focus up the top.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Well, anyway, so I kind of was narrowing it down a bit to start and end on time, come prepared, focus on students, collaborate and listen respectfully, stay on topic, and be action oriented. Anything else would want to add to that? Because if you're going to stay on track, if you're going to come prepared, that means if we're doing data meeting, we'd come prepared for data.
No, whatever
What do
y'all
you
wanna
think?
do. Whatever these are the governing rules. Each and every time we come, this is what must happen. That's norms.
Mhm.
So I'm cool with it. Any one of the 10, 5 of the 10, I don't care. They all make sense. I mean, because it's hard to separate. It's hard to just choose 5. But yeah. So, but if you want to do that 5,
No. I'm saying, I'm just saying, I kind of did my part here,
Mhm.
and I'm asking your input
you
now.
want to see your part.
What
our
is it?
part.
Yeah. What do you say about
Could you
this?
enlarge it again?
I agree.
And
Everybody
then-
should come to
and
the
then-
group.
and
there you
then-
go. There you go.
And then, not only that, if you want to add another one or subtract one out of what I have, I just came with something, a groundwork. So it's just.
I'm thinking you covered time, you
Mhm.
covered preparation, you covered focus, you covered
Participation.
participation. I think that covers it.
Okay, let's do it.
Unless we keep the list and it be a focus. So this is the norm,
Mhm.
but we're gonna focus for this meeting. I don't know. Number 9.
Remember the-
Even 10 says be present and engaged. But if you collaborate and listen respectfully, you're present and engaged.
Yeah,
I should
yeah.
think
Some
so.
of them
That
overlap
ties
is what I'm
in.
trying to say.
Yeah.
Mhm. So we're good with
Be
these.
solution focused. If you're solution focused,
Then you're focused
you're
on the
stay on
students, 'cause
topic.
that's
You're
what we're
action
doing.
oriented. You focus on the student. So it's
They
kind of
overlap.
yeah.
All right. So we are agreeing then that this 5 right here is what we can work with.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Everybody agrees.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Great.
yes.
All right. So let's move on to our next step. All right. So in wrapping everything up, I just want to ask. One last and final question. What is one takeaway from, what's one takeaway from this meeting? Just our little reflection, just to see what we have come up with. Well, before we do that, based on the agenda, it says we are to have responsibilities. So, posting norms, sharing the visions and all of that, I'll make sure I have that up in the room for us, so whenever we're meeting, we can always see that. And our next meeting date is going to be December 3rd, 2025, and then at 2:35 to 3:05. All right, And then we are back to this, or reflection. What is one takeaway? And you can put this on your little index card. What is one takeaway that you have based upon this meeting today? Thank you. Much. Alright.
What you wrote, Ms. Barnes? Oh, that's deep.
All right. All right. Looks like we're ready to share. Ooh. Okay.
She's so funny.
What is one takeaway?
I just wrote established norms. You take that away. We have some norms in place.
Okay. Anybody else ready to share? Miss Ba?
Oh, one takeaway, we need to be respectful of each other's time based on your norm.
Okay.
I need to learn the mission and vision statement so that it's not just on paper, but it's in action.
Okay. Okay, good. All right.
Which means we need to have it emailed or sent to us in some form.
I will definitely email it to you, ma'am. I will. Yes.
Yeah, here's a hard one for me is, staying on topic. Sometimes we get off track. And I mean, it's nothing wrong with it, but if we have a time constraint, it can,
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
other than that.
All right. Thank you, ladies, for your time. And that's